Hello everyone, welcome to the video lecture series on microprocessor and peripheral interface. In previous three sessions, we have covered the features, pin configuration, then functional block diagram and the operating modes of 8255. In this session, we are going to cover how we can interface 8255 with 8086 in IO mapped IO. So, for IO mapped IO interfacing of 8255 with 8086. This is the interfacing diagram of 8086 and 8255. First of all, we will see the 8086. Here, the minimum and maximum bar pin is connected to 1. That means our 8086 is working in the minimum mode of the configuration. VCC is connected to plus 5 volt. Ground pins are grounded. Now we know for this 8086 we require the external clock generator. So here 8284 is used and this 8284 provides clock, reset and ready signals to this 8086. Along with that, the reset signal of 8284 is also provided to this 8255, means reset signal is also given to this 8255 along with 8086. 8086 is also having multiplexed address and data lines, and for that the address lines and data lines should be separated, so that here 8282 latch is used. Total 3 latches are required because we are having total 20 bit address lines. So here AD0 to AD15 and A19 to A16 address lines are connected to 8282, and at the end we'll get the address lines A0 to A19 and bus high enable bar signal at the end of this or at the output of this 8282 latch. Here 8286 trans receiver is there. 2 trans receivers are required for 16 bit data lines. Here AD0 to AD15 multiplexed address and data line is connected to the input of this 8286, and at the output we'll get the demultiplexed D0 to D15 data lines. Here data transmit and receive bar pin of 8086 is connected to transmit pin of 8286. Den bar pin of 8086 is connected to output enable bar of 8286. Here 3:8 decoder is used to generate the memory and IO related signals. So for this decoder 3 signals of 8086 are connected, that are control signals which are read bar, write bar and M/IO bar, and here at the end we'll get the memory read bar, memory write bar, IO read bar and IO write bar signals. Now here 8086 and 8255, these are interfaced in IO mapped IO. That's why the IO pins or IO related read and IO write bar of this decoder are connected to read bar and write bar input signals of this 8255. So read bar of 8255 is connected to IO read and write bar is connected to IO write bar. Reset of 8255 is connected to the reset pin of 8284. Now this 8255 is having 2 input address lines A0 and A1. That's why only A1 and A2 pin of our 8086 address lines is connected to this A0 and A1. So for this A0, A1 is connected, and with A1 the A2 pin of 8086 address lines is connected. 8255, it is 8-bit device. That's why only D0 to D7 data lines of 8086 are interfaced with the D0 to D7 data lines of 8255. This 8255 is having 3 ports which are represented here: port A, port B and port C, and the chip select signal of this 8255 is received through this address decoding logic. So this is how we can interface 8255 with 8086 in IO mapped IO mode. So thank you for watching the video.